Good morning, you guys. Listen, I'm up kind of early, but I thought what I'd do is just take a chart, an hourly chart, and take a look at what what happens when news hits the market. Let's take a look at Bank America. They just reported earnings this morning, right? And here's an hourly chart where the price has jumped. And it's currently what you see on your screen is a ticket, and this is actually a real time ticket inside of a brokerage account that I own. I trade in about four different brokerage accounts, uh, and this is one of them where I have ownership. I've been very careful about, for instance, one share in here just because if I make a mistake and hit a button that I'm not supposed to, it's not going to hurt or it's not going to impact me. But basically, what's happening right now is that they reported earnings higher than the market expected, with obviously good numbers. Now, I don't know all the news, and I turned off CNBC so I wouldn't get distracted. But what's taken place is the stock closed last night. Let's go over here. All right, the stock closed at 43.21. 43 actually 14. It's now trading a dollar higher per share. Okay, so if you owned 100 shares, you're up $100. Okay, for the day. But let's look at this in terms of what we've been discussing with regard to the alligator fractals. Let's take a look at the AO. Let's expand this market. The accelerator. Let's ignore this for the moment. Let's take a look at all these blue bars we talked about. Right. So right now it's the beginning of the hour. The market is obviously moving higher. I saw where the prices were right in this uh, opening range of $44. But what's interesting is, remember, we were talking about fractals, okay? And this fractal right here, it's opening higher than the fractal. It's also opening higher than uh, the alligator, which means it's in a very bullish position. But it's not taking out new highs. Uh, it's just testing a trend that's been in place since Monday, or let's see, this would be Wednesday, this would be Tuesday. It's taken out Tuesday's highs in its price, and the market is finding a price. And here's a buy sell spread. There's a 4 cent spread. It's actually pretty tight spread for so early in the morning, just reporting news. Um, I'm not going to take a look at volume, but I thought it was interesting just to go ahead and show you. Okay, so what would you do this morning, right? If you didn't have a position in Bank of America, one, it's been in a downtrend. on an hourly basis. If you take a look at it on a daily basis, again, it's trading at 44.12, right? So it's not on a daily basis, it's not taking out a fractal up at 44.87, but it is taking out a former high. Are there any signals on the daily chart? Um, no, not really. I mean, other than this fractal up. And if you want to own the stock, you could put a stop uh, market order in above that top, assuming that this price is going to continue onwards. But the first, it's in what I call the red zone, and the first trade is a balance line trade, and it's a price. If that were green, the price would be at a high of 44, and it would qualify as an add-on to this stock. But it's in the red zone, so in a balance line trade, you need to go up 2 bars, which is a high of 44.81. That really is the only trade. If you were actually trading based on uh, I use, it wouldn't. Your first entry would this stock would have to go 44.81 or higher, and there are going to be some sellers out there who, once you hit that price, are going to come in. They're going to come in hard because there's a lot of people that are short this stock right now, and they want to protect their short. Anyways, I thought I'd give you a quick something that I own and what's happening with price action. Okay, good morning. It's the 14th of October. Hope you're studying hard at school, having a great time with your friends. Love you guys. Bye.